Stokes Castle. It's a historic place. It's in Austin, Nevada. It's fenced in, so you cannot go in. So somebody built it, an American probably. But it's a nice castle, but they abandoned it because it's on top of a hill. And if you live here, it's gonna be like, you'll be tired bringing water up here. Here in the Stokes Castle, you can you can have a picnic here. We have picnic tables and now fire ring and that huge castle. You can see that highway we got in is Highway 50, the loneliest highway or road in the world. And the Austin town is down there, and there's plenty of flies around, so I don't know, but it'll be good to visit if there's nothing else to do. And they have some rocks there. Maybe when they were building it, they probably didn't finish this because it seems like you run out of money, and it's hard to build this with heavy rocks. And you can see the steel supports, reinforcement coming out. So. Looks like a mining rig. I don't know if it's a mining rig or not. This is the side of the Stokes Castle. They must have mined something here. It looks like it's something you put on top and it will roll down. It's the whole mountain valley. There's a road going. I don't know where that road's going to. But that's the road we came from, Highway 50. And the speed limit at that area is 25 miles per hour. And there's trash service, so good place to stay for a few minutes or an hour, lunch break. Here's the other view from the back, and you can see there's a fence here that says no trespassing. So no trespassing, and it's locked, but it's a good view. You can see like a tower out there in the middle, and you can see the town from here. It's better. Get a better view of Highway 50. So, and then we'll climb up here that road, winding road, and then going down to the highway. Another view of the castle. So that's the quick tour of Stokes Castle here in Austin, Nevada. Not Texas, okay? Nevada.